Hi, in this tutorial, we'll find trips that meet our time and distance criteria for TNC operation. We'll start by opening the table of attributes of our trips data, making sure that we have the distance attribute and the time attribute. Sometimes the time attribute will be in a different format, so it's better to simplify it for this purpose of the analysis. So I'll start by creating two new fields, which will be for 10 miles and 5 miles. I'll navigate to the options for the table of attribute. And I'll add a new field, and I'll call it 10 miles. And I know this will be a binary field, so I'm good with it being short integer. And I'll do the same thing for the 5 miles. Now we need to find trips that which distance is 10 miles or below. So I'll go to the options again, and I'll select by attribute. And in this case, I want to make sure that my distance data is in miles. So I'll go to miles distance less or equal to 10. Apply. So these are the trips records that are within the distance threshold that I assigned. So with them being selected, I'll navigate to my 10 miles attribute that I just created. And I right-click, field calculator, and then I'll specify the value for these trips as 1. Okay. And I will repeat similar steps for the 5 miles.